Welcome to Compare to Win. The best trampoline parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for keeping your backyard fun zone safe and exciting, ensuring that every bounce is as thrilling and secure as the first. When your trusty trampoline starts showing signs of wear and tear, replacing key parts isn't just about aesthetics, it's about maintaining the integrity of the entire structure, preventing potential hazards, and extending the lifespan of your beloved recreational equipment, making those sunny afternoons filled with laughter and energetic leaps a continued reality for your family. Number 5. LANGXUN 66-in-1 Kids Trampoline. Introducing the LANGXUN 60-inch trampoline, designed for endless fun and safety. It's perfect for kids aged 1 to 8, offering a secure and exciting play experience. Our upgraded safety features include a secure net, foam-padded tubes, and a stitched jump mat to protect little feet. The stable base with suction cups ensures it stays put during active play. Constructed with durable steel and a reinforced frame, this trampoline is built for longevity. The high-quality springs and wear-resistant pad provide a fantastic bounce for years to come. This isn't just a trampoline, it's a 3-in-1 activity center. It includes a basketball hoop, dartboard, and can even transform into a cozy playhouse, offering diverse entertainment. With its enhanced appearance and vibrant color options, it's sure to capture your child's attention. It provides a larger play area and a visually appealing design that kids will adore. Looking for an unforgettable gift? This trampoline is an ideal choice for birthdays and holidays, promising hours of joy and active play for boys and girls. Assembly is a breeze. All the necessary tools and hardware are included, so you can set it up quickly and let the fun begin without any hassle. What we like. This trampoline offers a baby fence-style frame for enhanced safety and a 3-in-1 multifunctional design with a basketball hoop and dartboard. If you are looking for a versatile and safe trampoline for younger children, this is an excellent choice. Its enhanced appearance also makes it a visually appealing addition to any play area. What people say. The trampoline mat is made of durable, UV-resistant material that can withstand outdoor elements. The springs are heavy-duty and provide excellent bounce, ensuring a fun and safe jumping experience. The safety net enclosure is easy to install and provides an extra layer of security for children. Number 4. 40-inch hot pink trampoline spring cover. Introducing our 40-inch trampoline spring cover in vibrant hot pink. It's designed to fit your trampoline perfectly, ensuring a firm and safe bounce every time. Crafted from waterproof PVC and sponge, this cover is built to last. Its smooth and elastic surface reduces friction, providing long-term protection for your trampoline. Setting up is a breeze. With a pre-attached spring, you can install it in minutes. Save time and energy with this simple replacement. Jump with confidence. This cover is designed for safety, offering shock absorption and a high-density fit. It securely attaches to the frame for superior protection. Rediscover the joy of bouncing. This cover adds excitement to your play and fitness routine, ensuring a safe and relaxed experience without easy deformation. What we like. This trampoline cover comes in a vibrant hot pink color and is made from waterproof PVC and sponge material for durability. If you need a simple, easy-to-install replacement pad for a 40-inch trampoline, this is a great option. It provides a firm bounce and helps maintain the integrity of your existing trampoline. What people say. The trampoline mat is made of durable, UV-resistant material that can withstand outdoor conditions. The springs are heavy-duty and provide excellent bounce, ensuring a fun and safe jumping experience. The safety net is easy to install and securely encloses the jumping area, preventing accidental falls. Number 3. SONGMICS Replacement Trampoline Safety Pad Mat. Is your old trampoline pad looking worn out? Replacing it with this standard-sized safety pad will bring new life to your trampoline and ensure hours of fun for everyone. Getting your trampoline ready for action is a breeze. This pad comes in 2 easy-to-align parts with simple fasteners and straps, so you can install it without taking down any netting or posts. Crafted with a durable blend of UV and water-resistant PVC, thick EPE foam, and sturdy PE, this pad is designed to withstand both sun and rain, keeping your trampoline protected year-round. Enjoy a safer jumping experience with this wide and thick spring cover. It effectively absorbs impacts over the springs, providing complete edge-to-edge protection for peace of mind. You'll receive a high-quality, easy-to-assemble trampoline safety pad. It's the perfect solution to get you back to enjoying your trampoline in no time. What we like. This replacement safety pad offers 11.8-inch wide edge-to-edge protection, absorbing accidental bounces over springs. It is constructed with UV-resistant and tear-resistant materials for long-lasting durability. If you need to rejuvenate an existing 14-foot round trampoline and want a safer jumping experience with minimal assembly hassle, this is the perfect solution. Number 2. Skywalker Trampolines Lower Enclosure Straight Tube Kit. Your child's safety is our top priority. That's why all our products are rigorously tested to meet and exceed the highest safety standards. Crafted from galvanized steel, this enclosure frame is designed to withstand the elements. It's built to be weather and rust resistant for long-lasting use. This set includes 2 lower enclosure poles, the essential lower section of a 2-piece enclosure pole. It's a direct replacement part for your trampoline. As a genuine Skywalker trampoline component, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. This part is specifically designed to fit select Skywalker trampoline models. Please check the model compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your trampoline. What we like. This is a genuine Skywalker trampoline component made from weather and rust-resistant galvanized steel. It is tested to meet or exceed ASTM safety standards and comes with a 3-year limited warranty. If you own a compatible Skywalker trampoline model and need to replace the lower enclosure straight tubes, this part ensures safety and durability. What people say. The trampoline mat is made of durable, UV-resistant material, ensuring it can withstand outdoor conditions. The safety net is easy to install and provides secure enclosure, preventing accidental falls. The springs are strong and provide excellent bounce, making it fun for kids. Number 1. Upper Bounce Mini Rebounder Spring Cover. Ensure a safer jumping experience with our trampoline spring cover. It fully covers exposed springs and the frame, reducing the risk of pinches and creating a smoother surface. This replacement pad is designed to fit most mini round trampolines, regardless of brand. It's the perfect solution to refresh your worn setup without needing a whole new unit. Enjoy hassle-free storage thanks to its lightweight design that folds with your rebounder. You don't need to remove it before putting it away, making it ideal for compact spaces. Setup is a breeze with pre-cut holes for easy leg passage and elastic edges that keep it securely in place. Get it installed quickly without any tools. Crafted with high-density closed-cell foam, this padding replacement is built to last. It resists losing shape, moisture, and wear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Rely on quality from a trusted USA-based brand. This accessory is designed for durability and performance. What we like. This mini trampoline replacement pad provides full spring coverage, reducing the risk of pinches and creating a smoother jumping surface. It offers universal compatibility with most mini round trampolines and conveniently folds with your rebounder for easy storage. If you are looking for a practical and durable solution to refresh your mini trampoline without replacing the entire unit, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Fits well and was easy to put on. Every spring is covered, the holes fit around each of the legs, and it looks like it'll last a long time. It was easy to put on and fits perfectly. I was surprised at the sturdiness and thickness of the material. Very impressive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.